Hey everyone, I'm Kavita and welcome back to my YouTube channel Sparkle Kavi. Today I'm going to show you how to make buttonholes and how to stitch buttons by hand. Frankly, I don't use that much buttons in my projects, but whenever I visit any sewing supply shop, by seeing them I fell in love with them, and then I buy them, and then I have to use them in my daughter's clothes or bags. So friends, if you are beginner, then you should definitely learn these techniques, like basic hand sewing techniques, or attaching button or making buttonholes, so that when you move to the next level you will be more confident. So without any more talking, let's see how to do this. Take thread that matches your project. Cut a long thread depending upon project. Then grab both the loose ends of thread and insert it through the eye of needle. You may find difficulty getting the thread through the needle eye, so you can damp your finger and then gently rub the ends of thread and try again. The thread will go through the needle eye easily, or you may use needle threader instead. Now take your project on which you want to sew button and buttonhole. For example, I am going to stitch button on this bag. Always remember that button is stitched onto the bottom layer and buttonhole comes on top layer of shirt, bag or any project. Now position the button on the top layer and with the help of pencil or chalk mark the lines at both the ends of button, no matter whatever is the size of your button. Now, without disturbing the button, insert a pin or needle through the buttonholes and mark the points on the bottom layer where the button is actually going to be stitched. Draw a line connecting the two end points of button we previously marked. Now, with the help of seam ripper, cut along the line slowly. It's totally fine if you go a little bit beyond the line. Now, grab your needle which we threaded already. Starting from one end, insert your needle on top at some distance from cut and bring it up through the cut. Pull the thread slowly and insert the needle into the loop at the end of thread and again pull the thread. So now our thread is fixed and our first stitch is also finished. Now for the remaining stitches, follow a line along the cut so that they will be at same distance from the cut. Insert the needle with some distance from first stitch and bring it up through the cut and keep the needle there only. Now hold the thread which is connected to first stitch and wrap it around the needle once and pull the needle and thread tight. And here the second stitch is also finished. In the same way, finish all the remaining stitches until you reach the other end, but also remember to maintain same gap between each stitch. Once you reach the end, insert the needle from the opposite side just in front of the last stitch and bring it up through the cut. Wrap the thread around the needle and pull. In the same way, finish the remaining stitches. Once you reach at end, bring the needle to the wrong side, that is down. Tie 2-3 knots and cut extra thread. As you can see, our buttonhole is nicely hand stitched. All the raw edges are completely covered and it is looking just perfect. Now it's time to stitch our button. Needle the thread in the same way we threaded earlier. Insert the needle and bring it up from any one previously marked point. Then insert it into the loop to fix the thread there. Now from the wrong side of the button, insert button into the needle and bring it all the way down. Then hold the button with the other hand there and insert the needle from top to the another hole. Pull the thread and tight it. Now from the bottom side, insert the needle to the opposite hole and bring the needle up. Pull the thread and tight it. Keep inserting the needle from one hole to another for 4 to 5 times. When you are done, insert the needle one more time just through the button and not through the fabric. Then start wrapping the thread around the button for 4 to 5 times. This will lift the button up from the fabric and give you more ease when you insert it into the buttonhole. Lastly, tie 2-3 knots just under the button by inserting needle and grabbing few threads, then wrap it around the needle and finally cut the extra thread. As you can see, there are no knots seen from the bottom as well as top. And now we will close the button. Both the button and buttonhole is stitched perfectly fine. So friends, this was the basic of stitching button and making buttonhole by hand. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and for more such helpful tutorials, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't.